Hi, now we are going to discuss a very short answer questions from the chapter 12 Thermal Properties of a Matter. First question, distinguish between heat and temperature. The difference between heat and temperature. Heat, it is a form of internal energy. SI units of heat is joule. CGS units of heat is calorie. Heat is measured by calorimeter. And temperature, it is a thermal condition of a body. SI units of temperature is Kelvin. CGS units are Celsius. Temperature is measured by thermometer. Can a substance contract on heating? Give an example. Yes, some substance can contract on heating. For example, cast iron, rubber metal, rubber tape metal, and pure water between 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Why gaps are left between rails on a railway track? In laying down a railway track, a small gap is given between the ends of two successive rails. Is allow for linear expansion of rails in summer. Next question. Why utensils are coated with black? Why bottom of the utensil are made of copper? Answer is since black bodies are good conductors of heat. Utensils are coated black to absorb heat during falling on them. Copper is good conductor of heat. Hence, it promotes the distribution of heat over the bottom of the vessel for uniform cooking. What is greenhouse effect? Explain global warming. The greenhouse effect is the warming of climate that results when atmosphere traps heat radiating from earth towards the space. Certain gases in the atmosphere resemble gases in a greenhouse, allowing sunlight to pass into the greenhouse but blocking earth heat from escaping into space. State Newton's law of cooling. Newton's law of cooling states that the rate of change of a temperature of an object is directly proportional to the difference between its own temperature and temperature of its surrounding. It is defined and mathematically written as dt by dt directly proportional to the T minus T naught. State Wien's displacement law. Wien's displacement law states that the blackbody radiation curves from different temperature will peak at different wavelength that are inversely proportional to the temperature.